Good morning.
Please sit. Why don't you enjoy it?
How are we?
Calming jasmine tea.
Hope he's all doing well. Finishing off the other side of the Taiaha today. Sure, everyone. Jeez, everyone's fast. Chur Whanau. How are we? Hello everyone, morning, how are we doing? Kia ora everybody, good to see you once again. Man, that's a lot of hellos. Kia ora whānau, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back once again. My day off was quite good yesterday. And so today what we're going to do is be finishing the other side of the Taiaha. So we designed the tongue on Saturday, got that one side done, and then we'll move on to the other side, and then from there we just have to carve out the eyes, clean it up a little bit, and then we'll be sanding, and then it's done. Well, and staining. Oh, hold up. Neil, thank you very much for the bits, and hello to you too. And Safriki, oh, you didn't have to sub, man, but thank you very much. Oh, here's our song to start our day. Finally I'm awake, and you timelines suck, man. Yeah, I know, saying. The Chief, thank you very much for the bits as well. You didn't have to, dude. And that Liam and Hazy Boy, thank you very much for subbing, guys. Once again, just remember to look after your guys' selves first. Don't use what money you have just to sub to me. It's best to look after yourself first. Max, so yeah, usually when we start the stream, we catch up first, drink my cup of tea, and then AM for us, brother, so it's just after 10:30. Oh, jeez. Max, how do I say your name, brother? Max Klassen, thank you very much, brother. And Real Post Hours, boy. Cheer, bro. But I hope he's doing well. Oh, no. Here's Silver. True, brother Silver. Or sis. You know you didn't have to do that. And Ethan of Oz, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, but shout out to Silver. If you got a gifted sub, say thank you. It's the best thing you can do. Kia ora, Ryan. How are you, brother? How was your birthday? Man, those quiz questions on Just for Kick stream yesterday were hard. Yo, it's Diablo, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to though. Hold on. Happy birthday to Ronnie. Have a good birthday today, brother. Now if you're in school, turn the stream off and do your schoolwork. Bougie, thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to. So can we get some happy birthdays for Ronnie in the chat? Steffi Bob, cheer, brother. Who's your favourite rugby team? All Blacks, brother, all day. Tēnā koutou chat. Here's our Maori linguist here from the UK, the brother Ora. How are you, my bro? Hope everyone in the UK, hope it's not too hot for you guys. I know it's been
Pride is not the opposite of shame.
scrotum sticking to thigh kind of heat, but yeah. The only Mario? Oh, there you go, Ronnie. There's all your birthdays, brother. AKA Anderson. AK Anderson. Leo Witz. Thanks for the sub as well, brother. You still don't have to. Okay, Ronnie, I think you got yourself some a tank full of happy birthdays, brother, from the whānau, from the community. So hopefully you have a good day for your birthday too, brother. Whatever it is you do, play Fortnite, whatever. I watch you from hospital. Cal Billings, speedy recovery, brother. What's your favourite Super Rugby team? The Chiefs, brother. And the Blues. Fortnite is shit. Yeah, for some. For others, they still like to play it. Okay. I think that's a big enough catch up. So I'll show you what we're doing today. What do you guys see? Bro, do you play any video games? Yeah, brother. I want to try and figure out how to stream off the stream pick for the games before my birthday. I just want to play a whole lot of Fall Guys. Maybe I might move this over into the sun, eh? Like last time. Oh crap. Vargas, thank you for the bits, man. Didn't have to. Get well soon. Yeah, get well soon, brother. DJ Plebe, thanks for the sub, brother. Okay, I'm just gonna move it into the sun like last time.
Like my nephew, always thinking you need to do things on your own without anyone's support. There is nothing wrong.
But what are you drinking? Mesner? No one actually asked, brother, but it's tea, brother. Fall Guys are sick. Yeah, for a simple game, I would say Fall Guys has really done well. And a lot of big gaming companies should take note of that. If you can have fun on a game like Fall Guys, then man, any big gaming company could learn from that, I would say. Just lining it up. Okay, Ellsworth. Cheer, brother. So here we go. That's us today. Hey, what a typical time. Welcome, brother. Do you make traditional artwork or custom artwork? Just traditional, bro. Okay. Bree Dog, thanks for the sub, brother. You've been hefty. I like potatoes. Yeah, man. I've always been a fan of potatoes, brother. Thanks, Vargas. Appreciate it, brother. You planning on playing Shadowlands? Definitely, brother. Oh my god. Hey, brother Zixi. Frosty Shakes gifting a sub. And also Ethan Falls. Thank you, guys. You didn't have to. And then Frosty Shakes gifted a sub again. Appreciate it, guys, but just remember, how's the big brother doing? Sure, brother. I'm all good, bro. Yeah. Just glad it's sunny today. How you been, brother? Helium. Hello, I am Eddie. Ed and Eddie. Cheered for the sub. You didn't have to, brother. Do you play COD? Nah, not anymore, brother. I stopped playing after... Is it Modern Warfare? It just started getting too out the gate, too. Hey, Chur and Phoenix, how are you this morning? I'm good, brother. Just ready to start the week off again. And thank you once again to everyone that got the YouTube channel over 100 subscribers or 100k. Thank you guys. Was the show. I think Ed was my favourite. Tears from Israel, brother. Hey, Dark Dragon. Cheer, brother. Uh, 87 felons. That's more than enough, man. Yeah, like that goes for anyone else that may be tight on money. I would much prefer you using it on yourself before subbing to me. Big ups from Taranaki, bro. My humble follower. Cheer, Nucky Rift. Eee. On the Nucky. Netflix. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Hey, there he is. Cheer, brother Nomad. Are you still playing ESO, brother? Hello from Panama. Hello, brother. My stepdad is from NZ too. Oh, nice. Who's Gyro? Ziklize. So this is called a Taiaha, brother. So this is one of our more traditional weapons. Well, all our weapons are traditional, really. But this is one of the most renowned ones, brother. And this is only just the end of it. Probably one of the most important parts of it because it's the face of our ancestor. So we usually name them after ancestors, brother. Hey, Wimnan. Best streamer out there? Oh, I'm alright. Sure, brother Yanzo. Adam Dodds, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Hey, Deputy. Tutuki pai nā mahi whakairo. I tēnei rā te parata. Nā mihi e te parata, hai. Koira te wawata. Sure, brother, name it. Yeah, because I told my brother you play it, bro. And I think he's looking for someone to jam with. I don't know if he's still playing it now. I just told him, don't be shy and ask. Setup's better than ninjas. Oh. That guy's a bit of a high roller, eh? Congrats to Ninja for getting affiliate, him and Shroud. No doubt they'll be partner now. Is this for someone in particular? Yeah, women. So this is for someone turning 21 at the end of the month. This is actually my last week on it, brother. But the birthday's not till next week, but I have to finish it this week. Because, well, or depending on the COVID situation, we're going to the snow. So Mrs. Broxh and my daughter, obviously my daughter has only been on the planet for 2 years, and Mrs. Broxh has never seen snow before. I was like, haha, noob. Cheer, Kobe. Cheer, brother. Just happy I'm here. Hey, Baboy. Welcome, brother. How did you learn to do this? So my uncle introduced it to me at the age of 12 back in primary school. But this particular art form has been a part of the Maori culture since basically the first ever carver. Snow is overrated. Oh, this guy.
I suggest you think about what it is that you want from your life and why.
Chur JT, how was your weekend? Chur JT, yeah, it was good. Just good to chill out. Had some pretty good sleeps because my family was out of town for the weekend. I haven't slept until 10 o'clock in a long time. I'm usually up at like 6. Mia Mimo, thank you for subbing. Appreciate it. You didn't have to. You remember to look after yourself too. Purgatorius with the bits as well. Appreciate it. Have you tried God of War? Yeah, Leonid? Yeah, brother. I've played them all, brother. I would say my favourite is the latest one, just for the way Kratos is now. Since he's a parent, shows a different side of him. What made you want to start streaming? Oh, it looked fun. Seen my cousin doing it, entertaining, having a good old laugh with his viewers, and I was like, oh, this actually does look fun. But I was too shy, that's why I didn't do it straight away. How old is your phone? Galaxy S7. I've had it since they got released. I don't buy a new phone till it's completely wrecked. I don't follow the latest models, waste of money. When you got a perfectly good working one. Do NZ people have their own language? The Maori. We're the native people to New Zealand. We have our own language. English is my second language. Do you watch Kappa 21 Robot? Oh, what? Do a bit of both, brother. So yeah. That's all good. Benny Cotter, thank you for subbing, brother. You didn't have to. So hey everybody, Hawk here. So over the weekend I was playing the Avengers beta. So you have a chance to play one of the Avengers, and I played my Casio Power Thor. His hammer is mighty. But the difference being with this Avengers game, looks quite different to my good friend Chris Hemsworth. Oh god. Der Fabi 20. Yo, Der Fabi. Thanks, brother. You didn't have to, though. Just remember to look after yourself, too, brother. That's all good. But welcome, bro. And to anyone that got a gifted sub from him, say thank you. Otherwise, boom. That's for everyone that don't say thank you. Yeah, it's a pretty cool game, that Avengers one. I was a bit iffy about it because, you know, Square Enix doing it. But yeah, I actually had fun on the game. I think I just like smacking people up with Mjolnir. How's his mum's doing with the pregnancy. Joey Lunchbox, she's doing good, brother. Over the weekend, baby was kicking pretty hard. I was lying on his stomach last night and she was giving me some good kicks to the head. Blue Ronix, thank you very much for the bits, man. You didn't have to, but I appreciate it.
Sometimes life is like this dark
Played a fair bit of Ghosts as well.
end of the tunnel. But if you just keep moving, you will come to a better place.
And watched Last Samurai over the weekend. After this project, what's next? So I'll start going through some commissions. So when I finish this, I'll let everyone know that I'll be taking 5 commissions. I'll be going through them to see which ones are actually good. Or someone asked if I could carve them a full-sized human head and a torso. I was like, no, sorry. And if anyone misses out, don't get hard feelings. There's always going to be another time. So I'm actually going to carve something for myself for the first time too. It's a beautiful and brutal game. Bro, Mr. Blunt, yeah, I love it though. It's a cool game. Jamie Campbell, thank you very much for the sub, man. Appreciate it. I think what I like about that's not strange. Oh, I think it's strange. I don't carve human-sized things. Someone even asked for moko moko, which is like a mummified head of my ancestors, and that was a big no. Chur Keho, Chur Fanta, carve a miongnia. Probably not, brother. Traditional Maori wood carver, brother. What type of raka is that Taiaha made from? Naki, so this is rata, brother. It's a nice, one of the best hardwoods to use that doesn't really kill your chisels too much, because it's one of the softest ones too. Would you carve a totem? Our specific ones, not any other cultures, because I rather... Holy crap, where did all these people come from? Oh look, it's Ellen. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Ellen! Steve! Ellen! Hello everyone, holy crap. That jumped up quite hard. Have you ever broke a carving by accident? Yeah man, plenty of times. But it all comes down to the mythical powers of super glue, brother. I Will Dominate hosted you. Holy shit, did he? Jeez. Bro, that's pretty handy. Gee, I Will Dominate. LOL player, eh? Man, I haven't played that toxic game in a long time. Gee, Dom for the host. Holy cow. There we go. Got him a nice hat. Is he in the chat? What kind of music are you playing? DMCA free. Oh, that's right, Fanta, you're on today, eh? I seen you on last night, but yeah, then my family turned up. I was like, oh, time to dead. Oh, bottom father, thanks for gifting a sub. You didn't have to though. anyone that's come through from Dom's raid, hi, my name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver based in New Zealand. Now, with me, with what's going on around the world, look after yourself first. You don't have to sub to me. Buy yourself some food. Since Dom plays LOL, maybe some RP before subbing to me. But yeah, just remember, look after yourself first. Thank you Unicronus and Smeewai for the subs. Appreciate it. Jeez, that was a big host. I didn't even see it. Hi Broxh, very nice meeting you, brother. You can your positive vibes. Keep up the good work. Thanks, Bottom Father. Appreciate it, brother. And oh look, it's Alan again gifting subs. Jesus, brother. Just remember to look after your guys' selves first, eh? Just keep that in mind before subbing. Like, think about it if you got on the sub, eh? Just another patch. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. You didn't have to though, brother. Yeah, like, just think about it when you're on the sub button, eh? Like, do I need a sub? Maybe I need some bread for my sandwich tomorrow. Think about that. And yes, if anyone's wondering why I'm wearing gumboots, these are my everyday shoes. Say hi, my name's Korg. This pile of rocks waving at you. Welcome to Brox's stream. From time to time I'll take over and do a bit of a commentary. Now Broxh is similar to Thor. He has a special intimate relationship with his mallet, and losing it he would not be able to carve. How do you pick yourself up when you're feeling sad? My daughter picks me up, just her joy alone does it for me. Hail Thrall, a great leader. True, brother. Is it hot where you are, brother? Leo, nah, not really, brother. It's just nice winter morning, my brother. Oh, I saw a clip of you when you tried to return. Just want to say you are the best man. Ah, thank you, Renzo Kip. Welcome, brother. Appreciate your kind words. And Vengeance Son, thank you very much, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Did we get a shout out for Dom? Do you sell what you're working on? Yeah, bro, but this is actually for a birthday at the end of the month, brother. But this is actually my last week on it, so it's pretty much crunch time. But once I finish this in the eyes, carving the eyes out, all I have to do is sand it, and I can sit down while doing that and talking to you guys. I don't have much bits, but I appreciate you. Oh, Pine Knight, thank you, brother. You didn't have to though, bro. Whether you have a little bit or a lot, it's still all good to watch for free, guys. Well, here anyway. Kia ora from Dunedin, brother. Hope you're having a good day. Tubbs McGee. Cheer, my brother. I'm having a good day, brother. Hope you are too. Hope there's no Rona down there. And are you studying, brother? What's up? Got here from Germany and now I have 2 weeks in quarantine in a hotel room. I can't leave, but you're making my day. Hey, Toll King. Cheer, brother. So that's what the stream is for, man. Just for everyone to chill. If it's a good place, then you're more than welcome to stay here, bro. I know people are quarantining in hotels here too, and they're finding it a bit hard. But if the streams or the VODs help in any way, brother, watch them. Go for it. That's what it's about. And Ari Cole gifting a sub. Oh, he didn't have to, Ari. Is the Maori language difficult to learn? Beautiful language, by the way. Antu Fushe. I can teach you if you want. Gotta head out to do some errands, brother. I'll pop back in. Oh, no, Maya, no rush. No rush at all. Peirogi. Oh, jeez. Sorry if I said your name wrong, brother. Thank you for the sub, brother. Once again, you don't have to next time, brother. It's all good just to watch for free. Can finally catch you on these lives. Hey, Chur, you user. Is that how you say it, brother? Yeah, the hateful. Dom, he's a League of Legends player, hosted us. From what the chat was saying, I will dominate. Caught me by surprise. Slash Kare Care, thanks for the sub, brother. Appreciate it. You didn't have to though. Hey, you have iroh in your title. What do you think about Avatar TLA universe? Oh, bro, it's fun. It's one of my favourite ones to watch. Mainly for iroh. He's a character that stood out for me in the entire series. But even Avatar Roku, he was my favourite Avatar. The wise old man. Don't fall over your cable. I won't bother. The NBA playoffs are starting tomorrow. Yeah, I heard the Thunder's in there. One of the brothers play off Colby. He keeps us updated. So if you can't tell by his name, yeah. Oh my god, what's going on? Jamie Campbell. Oh, gifting subs. You didn't have to. Appreciate it though. Is this going to be a spear? No, but so all the new ones here. I'll take it out of the voice and show you. It's all about the Lakers. Yeah, they got a pretty stacked team, mate. Chur mahalo, chur my brother. But I mean, even a stacked team can lose. So yeah, this is it here. This is a Taiaha. So that's one side we finished on Saturday. The tongue. And then the head. So I've got to do the eyes as well. Jixterio, thank you very much. Just took me a while to find out dominate. Oh, it's all good. Gee, I better go give him a follow. So yeah, to all our new ones, this is a Taiaha. It's one of our more traditional weapons we have. Oh, it is a traditional weapon. So it's not really a spear, it's similar to a 3/4 staff, so that's how you'd normally hold it. 2 hands. So there are some tribes that have their own particular way of fighting as well with this weapon. So why we don't throw it? It's because we name it after our ancestors. And obviously, what happened? So normally with a weapon these days we don't use it for its old purpose anymore. This is going to be gifted to a young man turning 21. I say young man because I'm almost 29. But yeah, this is it here. So starting at the bottom we have the iroh. So iroh in our language means tongue, so that's this here. And then we have the matarua or the upoko, which is the face, the double-sided face. So 2 faces on either side. Said to give the warrior spiritual guidance out on the field, on the battlefield. Hold on. Chur from Waiheke, brother. Keep up the good work. Ooh, Nulu from Waiheke. You're getting old, mate. So yeah, that's the face there. So we still got to clean up a little bit on it. And usually what's placed here is a awe on this section here, which is like a bird feathers, dog hair, horse hair, and in most terms human hair. Now you wouldn't necessarily use your own human hair. Oh my god. Oh bro. Jack stereo, brother. Fuck, that's too much, bro. Bro, you didn't have to, brother, straight up. But thank you. People don't know what old is. Yeah, ask just for kicks, he's old. Thanks for the gifteds, brother. You didn't have to. But thank you very much, brother. To anyone that received the gifted sub from the bro, say thank you. So as I was saying before, with the awe, you wouldn't necessarily use your own hair. Reason being, as if priests of the old days threw curses at you, it will go straight to your hair, then straight to you, and you'll start getting sick and obviously die. But they tend to use their opponents here, so if they won a battle, they'd cut their hair off and put it on. So it was used as a sort of like distraction, so waving it from side to side, and the hair would obviously do its thing, and hopefully distracting them for that split second so they can come in and like dock them on the head. Yeah. I can't really swing it around in here. And so from there we have the tinana. So tinana translated in our language means the body. So this is the body here, where the ancestors, or where the warriors held their taiaha at all times. So you get one. I'm just making sure I don't hit anything. So two. Yeah, that's just a simple move. Used to block and to parry as well. Just making sure I don't miss your guys' subs, because that's rude if I do. So yeah, this is where they would block. So you have your typical blocks like there. So this is mangapare. That means hammerhead shark. And then you can just block that there. So yeah, basically used to block and also just to hit them as well, bump them off. And coming up to one of the dangerous parts of the Taiaha, which is the ate. So this is like the double-sided blade. These were really sharp in days of old, but today, because we don't use them for the old purpose, we don't do that anymore. So just slightly blunt, but it was used to bruise better the head, neck, body, chest, anywhere that was exposed. And if you're lucky enough, you could decapitate them, whoever you were fighting. And then coming up to the last part is the iroh. Now this was usually sharpened off to a fine point. Now it was mainly used to stab into the chest of the opponent with a quick twist, opening up the rib cage, exposing the heart, feasting on it while it was still beating. Another way they did it as well was into the temple with a quick twist and a flick, popping off the crown, exposing the brain, which was a delicacy to our ancestors in times of war as well. So yeah, that's just a little bit on this. So we have many different other variations of weapons as well, but the Taiaha is one of our most renowned ones. So we only use these for performances now. There'll be no popping of scalps or anything these days, otherwise you go to jail. Hold on, holy cow. So I'll just put this back in the voice now. Punches down. There we go. Scrotum booger balls. Subscribe for 3 months. Hey, Chur Whanau. Oh man, I'll never get over that name. Appreciate it though, brother. Just you know the deal though, brother. Just remember to look after yourself first. I'm just going back, making sure I didn't miss subs from anyone or bits as well. Hey, Connor, cheer, bro. Careful what you say, he's armed. So the design here for all our new ones, our new viewers, our new whānau members. So if you don't know what whānau means, it's the Maori word for family, and that's what I call everyone that's part of the community. I don't really call you a community, only when I have to explain it. Could you tell Gary from Scotland, go to sleep please. Hobbity TV, thank you very much for the sub, brother, you didn't have to. And Django the Merc as well. Appreciate it though, guys. Just remember to look after you guys selves first, eh? Above subbing, 'cause that's more important. Past midnight here in East Africa. Love, brother, keep up the good work. Chur. Jeez, how do I say that? Fig trit. Hiya, Pomega. Chur, brother. So this design here is called, okay, where's our sun at? Over here. This is called Rapi Rapi. Now this can represent a few things. So one can be your fingerprints. So if you look at your fingers now, you will notice that all the swirls a fingerprint can have. Love the detail in the piece, significant to the patterns in your culture. Yeah, brother, Dylan. Yeah, so this one here, what I was explaining, Rapi Rapi. It can represent many things, and it's actually the first design I ever learnt as well. So this can represent a few things from your fingerprint. So these are references from other carvers as well. Another one from a carver by the name of Isaiah. He likened it to a rock being thrown into the water with the ripples cascading out. Looks like a hidden leaf symbol.
See, Prince Zuko, a moment of quiet is good for your mental well-being.
Okay, so I'm just looking at to see where I'm at. Oh, good, Otter. You like Naruto? Yeah, bro. Probably won't watch the entire series ever again, though. Like ever, because man, that's long. Just like One Piece. But One Piece takes the cake for that. Where do you find this playlist? I just YouTubed Uncle Iroh inspiration and it came up with a playlist. Way too long. I like smaller series now. Yeah, bro, it's really long, eh? I think I only watch it when some of my favorite characters are on, other than Zoro or Jin Sakai. So I'm just making sure my cuts are even all the way around. You rode a hammer. The hammer rode you on your back. Oh my god, the hammer pulled you off. This weapon would be very effective against 3 vampires that were huddled together. What type of character do you play in WoW? I play Pandaren Shaman on Alliance, so I only started playing Alliance this year because of the bro Panda. This guy's laser beam, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to. Appreciate it though, brother. But through Legion, brother, I played Warrior, and I haven't really played my Warrior that much. But I think I want to start playing Warrior again. It's me, Revo. Oh, Ravo, thank you, brother. You didn't have to, though. North or South Island? I'm from the North Island, brother. I've never been off the North Island. I've never travelled. Like, ever. Haven't lost my travel virginity, as some call it. Yeah, it's just got Uncle Iroh sitting on the front with his tea. Oh, I forgot about my tea. If I sneeze from time to time, it's because of the pollen. Okay. Here we have the Galapagos sea turtle. Oh God. Who's this? Compute. I cannot compute. Cheer, brother. Oh man, you didn't have to do that, my bro. But thank you, brother. And Ezix, thank you for subbing as well. Much appreciated, brother. Just remember you can watch for free next time. At 120, I can't pick a main. Damn, 32, brother. That's some time right there. Yeah, I'm just trying to utilize this buff before pre-patch, because if everyone's saying that's when it's leaving. Yeah, I played Fury right through Legion, but Fury's getting a bit stale for me, so I might try Arms, because that's the preferred PvP spec, if I'm not mistaken. Smagged and Nkindu NC, thank you very much, guys, for subbing. You didn't have to. And we got Jorgen. Hello, I'm Mexican. I like your stream. Thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to give the bits though. I saw someone say, what's the worst injury you've gotten from woodcarving? A little splinter on my callus. His Legion was always fun. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking of playing Arms, but that's on the Horde. I've played Horde since I started, like back in BC. But I didn't play it consistent until now, really, thanks to Panda. And boy, I've been having fun with it, Did my first Mythic Jaina for the mount and didn't get it. There was a mount run for me. One of the bros took me and yeah, someone kept it as soon as they got it. Hello. I started playing WoW recently. I'm a monk. Yeah, I like monk too, brother. Do you play console? Yeah, bro. Mainly Ghosts at the moment. I've been taking my time with the story. I only just started playing the story, actually. I've been just roaming around the island. Gotta take your child to the South Island one day. Yeah, I'm thinking Queenstown. Talking about pies makes me homesick. Oh, Android NZ. Where are you based now, brother? If you don't mind me asking. Don't say it yet, I'm looking away. Brandon and Just Chilling. Appreciate it, guys, for subbing. Just remember for next time, focus on the well-being of your guys' selves first before subbing, just in case. Just with what's going on, eh? Do I play D&D? Nah, not really, brother. I got asked to go and play it with a group, but I'm just too busy. Tutman, thank you very much for the bits, brother. You didn't have to, though. So hey, cool kid, just remember, it's always good to watch for free. In these hard times, it's always good to think about the well-beings of yourselves. Don't be a noob, Master 69. God damn this. I actually did not make that command. Midst of all the darkness in the world right now, you're welcome, light. Thank you for your positivity, bro. Sure, Just Chilling. Well, that's all I'm here for, bro. Just to share what I do, and I'm just grateful everyone enjoys it. Some don't, so they tell the truth, which I can respect too. And yeah, I just want a good place for everyone to chill while we're all inside. Not inside, but inside our homes. Oh god, Danny boy, Danny Zuko. Thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. Thank you though, brother. And Brandon, gifting a sub. Grease lightning. Beauty school dropout. Go back to high school. That was a good movie as a kid, man. Who else watched Grease as a kid? To all my 90s kids. Kendall and DJ Spinal and Unknown. Thank you guys for subbing. Once again, if you are finding it hard at the moment, there's no need to sub. You can always look after yourself first. Thanks, Hofcut. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, that's all I'm here for. Just to have a bit of fun. Hopefully start failing on Fall Guys soon. And yeah, just good environment. I think that's the biggest flex is having a good chill community. Danny Boy and Juan again. And Juan and the only Mario gifting some subs. Jesus, guys. Are you allergic to pollen? No, it's just annoying. I get an itchy nose. Something I think I'm going to do today again is stain the mask with another coat. And then I'm going to go and look for a shellac spray tomorrow. Finish line is in sight. Yeah, brother. So I think the thing that takes the longest is just the sanding, brother. Going through the grits. Now with me, because I'm a picky person, I make sure there's no rasp marks at all. Because if I know there's one and I leave it there, it bugs me all the time. Do you play Fall Guys? Yeah, man. Yet to win one though. It's a fun game, man. Oval Fortune. Thank you for the sub, man. You didn't have to. And I'll just do this. Yeah, so with everyone that's new here, So with this particular wood carving whānau, it's been in our culture, or Maori culture, for, well, since the beginning really. And so with this particular art form we have, it was a way or a method for us to pass down our myths, stories and legends to the next generation, and it's something we're still doing today, even though we have the luxury of pen and paper and books now. Steve D, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, but I appreciate it though, my brother. So with that being said, so with this sacred art form, it was only, so the people we only ever carved were the ones that have passed on. So with this carving working around the dead, the ones we do stories about, like our ancestors that are gone now, women weren't allowed to do this particular art form, like at all, but in these modern times they are allowed. And so with that being said, why weren't women allowed to carve in days of old? Because they're the opposite to carving. They bring life into the world, and that's why they never carved in those days. But we're in a modern time now where there are women carvers, but there are schools that stick to the traditional way. And I was fortunate enough to go through one of the most prestigious carving schools. Danny boy, how do I donate? Just by watching, brother. Charlie's Ravone, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though. And so with that being said, yes, our ladies weren't allowed to carve in days of old. So we were more of an oral culture. We'd rather pass things down like face to face or through song and dance. So you might know it as the haka, but we have other stuff as well. For 2 months. Hey Dylan, wondering why you stain the mask. Love the content on YouTube, keep doing it. Why do I stain the mask? Just to give it another aspect, instead of just leaving it blank. I mean, there are some carvers that would like to leave it like as it is, but for me, I wanted to stain it just to show another aspect for what we do. Are you Maori? Yep, Maori wood carver. If I wasn't a Maori, I wouldn't be doing this. Thank you for your question. Is it a sword? No, it's a 3/4 staff, brother. Are we able to buy all carving? So after this piece here, I'll be open up for commissions. So, but they have to be within the realm of traditional Maori wood carving. You can't just like, oh, I want a D&D piece, or I want you to carve this character from this game. I'm not that kind of carver. I mean, if you have something in the modern world where I can incorporate a carving style, one of the carving styles that we have, yeah, all for it. Just like someone suggested if I should carve a YouTube play button, and I thought that was a cool idea. I mean, I could carve it for myself or something, and a Twitch icon, but I can add like Whakairo designs to it. So that's the name of our... Is a non-Maori allowed to carve Maori stuff? I mean, it all depends who teaches you. If you get accepted. Yeah. So that was a good suggestion by one of the viewers. I have got a fair idea of what I can put on the play button. I'll go all out on that one. How much might you charge for a Maori club? It depends. Do you want it in softwood or hardwood? If you want a proper one in hardwood, it might cost a bit. because it's the actual thing. Isn't in Twitch main page. Oh, Mohi Zidano, it doesn't matter. I've been on the front page since that showcase, but it's not something I'm trying to get all the time. So Riggy Boy, so what they actually used to like hold their carvings in place was just between their legs, but then yeah. Went hacked away at it. Hypnosis Hunt, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Always consider the well-being of yourself before subbing next time. And you too, big fat deuce. Deuce. In Melbourne, Australia, they've really built a big respect for Maori culture, and people also want to go to New Zealand one day. Lord Dragoners? Bro, anytime, bro. But since you're in Melbourne, brother, keep safe for now, bro. With what's going on over there. It's really sad to see. Just from experience with the lockdown we had here, man. I know it was hard for some. But hope you're well, brother. Circus Freak and Joe Queen, thank you very much for subbing, guys. Appreciate it. Hey Broxh, how you been, homie? Chew pineapple, big shot. I'm good, brother. How you been, my bro? 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've been good, brother. Just another day to carve, brother. And beautiful day it is as well. Yeah, Zenith. Yeah, Dom hosted us with a big fat host as well. Shout out to Dom once again. And how's he going? Is he playing ranked? Or was he playing ranked? DTS Frozen. Our lockdown is okay. Mainly because we're in level 2. Auckland is at a higher level because of yeah, that's where the main outbreak is. Hey, it's the Terminator. Looks like a nice day over there. Hey Terminator, how are you today? Sure, brother. Did you play rugby as a kid? Yeah, brother. Me and you are prop brothers, my bro. No, man, you played prop because I always ran straight. Watching from Auckland, looks like the sun is shining. Overcast, yeah. Cheer, Chrome Kiwi. Hope you fellas are alright up there too, eh? Up in Auckland. With what's going on. Have a good carve session. Cheer, Dylan. Thanks for subbing again. You too, brother. I had to come vibe out with you, bro. Cheer, pineapple. Cheer, what you drinking, brother? Another day, another duck. Oh no. Quijano, however it's pronounced. Thank you, Quijano, for the 10 gifted subs. Holy hell, everyone's bringing their sub hammers today. Thank you very much, Quijano. Appreciate it. Just remember, it's not sub wars today. Just only sub wars on Fortnite. But thank you, brother. To anyone that got a gifted sub from him, say thank you. Some supper. Ooh, soon. Tune in for some hockey. Good old hockey again, eh, Terminator? That's good, brother. What's for supper, brother? I was watching MasterChef last night, and man, it was good, eh? It was a good episode. The weaker they get, what power would you choose? Nice, Mr. Mac Chicken. All for one, brother. What do you think of our Prime Minister in her lockdown? Our Prime Minister is bloody amazing. She's probably the best Prime Minister we've had for a long time. And I mean, she started in a hard time with what was going on the last few months in the country. And yeah, she stepped up to it. I'm Team Jacinta. Everyone talking about how she's a bad Prime Minister, and I'm like, but you don't even work in the government. Yeah. Ayo, go crazy, much love. Cheers, Sixmatic TV. Cheers, brother. Alright, here we go, fam. Here's Terminator's dinner. I made steak, garlic roasted potato with some rice, and of course can't miss hockey. It's like our religion. Ooh, that sounds yum. Nice, brother. We had KFC for tea last night. Did you vote to change the flag back in the day? Nah, waste of time. I mean, yeah, I'm all for it, but when they find a flag that's actually good. Oh yeah, so to the guy that was saying is from Melbourne, one of the mods is from Melbourne. The legendary Mr. Fanta. There we go. One more. Me and the boys vibing and chilling with the very chill streamer. Sure, does life matter? Shout out to you and your bros, brother. Hope yous are well. Do you speak Maori? Yes, I do. Thank you very much for asking. What city are you in? So I live in Rotorua, brother. I've been here since like 2009. Yeah, that's a whole good place. That's where I met my partner. Yeah, so to all our new ones that are watching, so with this art form here, like I was saying before, mainly focuses on our ancestors that have passed on. Now, where does this carving art form come from? From our god of the sea, Tangaroa. I got a bit of scotch behind the bar. Ooh. Yeah, so Tangaroa is one of our many gods that we have in our culture. Why is this not playing? He's just one of the many that they have, that we have. So Broxh is well worth trying out. I mean, you can try it out for free, brother, if you're a bit on the fence about it. You can play it right up until level 20, brother. And if it's something you like, you can sign up. If it's not something you like, you can always play it for free. Mediocre. Whoa, what the bits? Jesus, brother. Thank you, you didn't have to though. Yo, Broxh, I seen you just for Kiff Stream. Yeah. He's one of the mods here, brother. He's the pun lord. Do the spirals also symbolise water in the Maori culture? Yeah, brother. Is it half cut? Where you from, brother? What is the name of your people? What is your favourite place in Well? Thunderbluff, brother. Can't wait to come to New Zealand. Nice, brother. Places I would recommend checking out. Obviously, you'll probably land in Auckland, so that's the main place. Queenstown's another one. scenery, the city life. But most of the time, yeah, it's the ski field. There's so much beautiful scenery down in the South Island. From what I've seen, yeah. Anchovy shark? No, we didn't drink anything, brother. Just water. I see what you mean, though. Yeah, no, we didn't have a drink that linked that was significantly part of our culture. Just water. Do you know Jimmy Jackson? I know of him. I don't know him personally. One day, though, maybe. Hello, Ducky. No awa? What you mean? Yeah, well, Bizzle. But that's pretty much majority of the world, eh? Just like that brewery in Canada that named their alcohol huru. Now, if they knew what that word actually meant, it meant pubic hair. And man, they got laughed at so hard by all of us here. How do I say it? That was a real kick W moment. Is that what you guys say? Man, that was funny. I was like, wonder if their brew even tastes like pubic hair. I'm from Glasgow, Scotland. Hey! Other ones with many spirals in their artwork. True, brother! Hey, true, Himajin. Himajin, they pretty much become easy after a while, brother. And if you ever come to Canada, here there's Montreal, downtown or Port Quebec City, Toronto, Bedford, and Albert, and plot twist, they planned that. Yeah, man, that's something I lost my shit at when I found out. I was like, God damn it, man. And there's a guy, I don't know if he's from Sweden. He got a moko kauai, like the traditional chin tattoo for the ladies. Man, he got laughed at so hard. And he got roasted too, like not knowing what it was for, just getting it for the looks. I was like, oh, you're one of those guys. Cheer the trooper. Don't understand what the tattoo really says. Oh, we got posture check. Yeah, just like there's one guy on TikTok who translates people's tattoos, and one of them that I seen was he said he looked at it on the arm and it said, "I like hump dog." I was like, oh, come on, posture check, bro. And I see kick W. Yeah, I think that's what everyone sees. Yeah, man. That's why I'll never get a tattoo in another language. Because you'll get trolled. I forget what the name of that TikTok page is. Man, that's funny. It's like, oh yeah, you like hump dog, alright? Oh, TTV Conquer. Cheer, brother. Oh, it's all good, my bro. Maori tattoos are beautiful. Yeah, Astaroth the Grim. I feel like getting another one, eh? I got one on my calf. Everyone remember to hydrate yourselves. Hey, here it is.
YouTube, man. A platform to track everything your team is doing.
kidney chick.
Please sit. Why don't you enjoy it?
Yeah, QTR Hero, thank you very much for the bits, brother. And Razor as well. Damn, brother, you still didn't have to. And QT again. Thank you, guys. You still didn't have to, though. Of course, that brewery is from Alberta. Okay, Big Mike. Okay, this will give me a perfect chance to have a break and explain the women's tattoos. So I've mentioned the facial markings before for our people, but it's all good. I don't mind repeating it. That's what it's all about, sharing. So the facial markings, Big Mike. Now in our culture, yeah, we do. The males have the full facial markings and the ladies have the chin tattoo. Now, got to start from the start. So the first tattooist of our people, his name was Ue Tonga. So he was the first tattooist of our people. And the first recipient to receive the full facial markings, his name was Mataora. Now that's what the facial markings are named after, by the first recipient, so it's called a Mataora. And so from that story, so Mataora was the son-in-law to Ue Tonga, so he married his daughter Niwareka, who is the goddess of weaving. And so fast forwarding to the time of man. Now with this particular art form, brother, we use 3 sets of chisels, what we call uhi. Now they were like, but the things we use to apply the ink within the wound were actually bone fragments from birds, brother. And the main one being albatross. Yeah. So the albatross had hard, dense bones within its wings. So they were separated into 3 different sizes. The smaller one, or the much larger one actually, we go like that, was used to etch the blueprint lines within the face, kind of like scarification, brother. And then, yeah, once they had mapped it all out, so when they would start receiving these markings was around 13, when you become a teenager, if you will. So they would start out with the nose, and eventually start branching out from the face, right, everywhere else. Now with those tools again, brother, so the second tool was used, must have hurt like a bitch, you know, I bet it did. There are still some traditional tattoos that practice it, but I like the way my skin looks. But yeah, with that, so the second tool they would use is the uhi. So it's actually used by, so they would have like a thin long piece of hardwood, so rata for instance, and they would sit the bone fragment on top and tap away at the skin, kind of like our Polynesian cousins. But unlike them, how they apply ink within the skin, we actually carved into the skin. So that second one was used to carve out 2 millimeters to 3 millimeters worth of skin, so there was a lot of blood loss. A lot of our ancestors died receiving these markings too, but in our culture we say it's more of an honour to have them than to have none at all, because it tells the story of what you went through throughout your life. So from the eyelids down is a representation of your physical attributes. So if you're a hunter, a fisherman, or a weaver, gardener, you would receive markings from the eyelids right down to your legs. So it all depends what you did throughout your life that you would receive these particular markings. Now from the eyelids up is more for the spiritual side, so if you could navigate through the stars, communicate with the dearly beloved that have passed on, or pass down genealogy and do incantation, what we call karakia, like prayers. And you would receive markings on the head, maybe right back if you had no hair, but the head's one of the most sacred parts of our bodies because it holds all your knowledge, and it's the body part that's closest to the heavens. It's like if you touch someone's head, that's pretty much Yeah. In our culture. Like even if someone touches my hair, I'll probably bop them. Yeah, so with that being said, brother, with the markings again, yeah, so all physical and spiritual. Now, with these markings as well, brother, why they received them? Because of the physical attributes that you may have, or the spiritual ones, but it's kind of like a CV or a resume. So if you see someone, so in the old days they would see another person with the markings, and then basically they knew where they were from, they knew what they did within their life. It's kind of like, yeah, CV or a resume, but big mic. And hold on, making sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, so a CV or resume. And so with the third chisel, brother, what they would use, they would dip into ink pots. Now particular things we use for our ink was paru, which was soot from the rivers. Sometimes red ochre clay was another one. A ngangara, which is a tree caterpillar, and tree bark, and they would mix it all together, brother, to make an ink. Applying it within the wounds and then sealing it with embers from a fire. So like cauterizing it. And so going off of that, brother, with the male's facial markings. Now, for the left hand side of our facial mask, brother, it was more for the mother's genealogy, the reason being it's closest to the heart. And the right hand side was obviously for our fathers. Now they wouldn't have the same design going the same exact way on each side, because if they did, big problem. Your parents were probably cousins. Now, my parents weren't cousins, so I wouldn't get the same markings. So they would slightly be different. And they're quite symmetrical, and yeah, they'd flow their own way, but they'd still match up, so they wouldn't be the same on either side. And so with the males, they have the full facial markings, and the ladies have the more compact chin tattoo. Now, it doesn't mean that the male's one is above the ladies, it's on the same level. The reason why the ladies' moko kauai is smaller and compact, because they go through enough pain already. Bringing life into the world, childbirth, so why should they go through even more excruciating pain by carving the entire face? So it was all compact down to the chin. So once again, mother, father as well for them. And so it represents the night owl as well, which is one of our kaitiaki, or our guardians. It's a spiritual bird to us, the ruru or the night owl. And so the night owl is the bird that would watch over the village and guard while everyone was asleep. And the wahine, or the ladies, are the ones that look after the village during the day, nurturing the next generation. Yeah. So that's why the ladies receive the small compact chin tattoo. Yeah, childbirth, I mean, I'm not a lady, so I can't say, but from what I've heard, it's bloody painful. Yeah, that's just a little something on the markings, brother. And so with particular pieces too on the male's facial mask would all depend on what you did throughout your life. So the last pieces of your facial moko or your mataora wouldn't be filled in, so it's usually here until your parents pass away. Yeah, and then you can have them with you for the rest of your life. Now, in the modern times, with my generation in particular, they're finding it hard to want to get their moko, because in today's society they think it's intimidating, gang related, but in reality it's probably one of the most spiritual things we have in our culture as well. Basically having your genealogy on your face for everyone to witness throughout the world, wherever you go. And particularly for the men, yeah, they're finding it hard because the stigma that modern society has put on it. But with the ladies, they actually, more and more females are wanting to receive their moko kauai. And so I went to a wānanga or a gathering one day where women were receiving their markings, and it was an entire meeting house full of ladies and grandmothers and younger ladies as well who had their chin tattoos, and it's one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in terms of our culture as well. So yeah, that's just a little something on the facial markings, Big Mike. Hope that was all good. And we'll get back to carving. Sorry if I missed anyone's subs. Jeez. I better scroll back just in case. Tony Joe, thank you for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. A walk, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. And Rafa M with the bits, appreciate it. You didn't have to as well. Dutch Blazewell, thank you for subbing. Just remember to look after yourself first, brother. And King with the bits as well. Thank you, guys. Hope there wasn't information overload. And Fan Yogs with the sub as well. Yeah, so that's just the facial markings, whānau. Hope that was informative, if you will. Now, something I will say too with myself, not once has it crossed my mind, ever since I was a kid too, receiving the facial markings. Now, that's one of the reasons why I won't get it, because you don't want to get it for the wrong reasons as well. And so my mother, she has her moko kauwai as well. And my mother-in-law does too. And yeah, OJ, is it OG? Or was it Oopsie? Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh jeez, Fan Yogs. Yeah, I almost missed it. Holy crap. What are you doing? Yo, cheer Fan Yogs for that, brother. You didn't have to. Appreciate it though, brother. Now, if anyone received a gifted sub from him, please say thank you, or her. And then Oopsie gifting a sub as well. Jesus, brother. Geeks on fire. Oh, it's all good, man. I'm just here to share. And have fun. So awesome, their Maori traditions are similar to the Canadian natives, even though they're worlds apart, must have come from the same people. Yeah, I'm Terminator. So scientists say that we're in like a off branch from certain native races around the world too. If you like the Great Migration that our ancestors did when we navigated the Polynesian Triangle. Like you see the similarities within some of the native races in the world with ours as well, and that's something I find fascinating too. Thicky cheese, just we're the Maori people, Maori culture, if you will. Oopsie again. Jesus, that calm down. One was enough. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate it. Just remember to look after yourself too. Has the procedure changed? Banana, yeah, tattoo gun. So that's just a modern thing that's made its way in. There are still some that practice the traditional way. Like using the uhi, like tapping the skin. El Macho Taco, fight me. Go on, bro. Why would I fight someone with a Despicable Me reference? Ease dub. Kara. Can I have a hug? Cheer, bro. Yeah, much love, Oopsie. Cheer, brother. Oh, shit. That's unfortunate. Cheer, brother. Thanks for subbing, brother. You didn't have to. Jamming the ghosts today. Our indigenous culture is dying though, stuff like music and dance is still alive and well. I myself speak our language, which is called Gaelic. Yeah, nice girl, Rua. That's the one, brother. From the northern point of the Polynesian Triangle. Hey, Chur Mux. Where you from? I am from a little small place called Ruatahuna, in the bush. So just a few hours out from where I am now, Rotorua, but I have ties here as well. Thank you for asking, brother. What is Chur? So Chur is like hello, it's like slang here in New Zealand. Sharpshooters there records for extraordinary things they did during the service, especially in World War One and Two. They're true badasses. Yeah, brother. Brother Terminator. Thank you, Thicky Cheese. You didn't have to. P-Fish, thanks for subbing as well. Appreciate it. Just remember, look after your guys' selves with what's going on there. Been jamming some ghost kara. I just got that the legendary archer armor. Or mythical, or whatever you want to call it. Hey, just stopped by. Hey, Jax. Anchovy shark, yeah, we have many mythical monsters, I would say. Some are good, some are bad. Well, we call them taniwha. Nah, just carving today, brother. Oh, chew. Yeah, thicky cheese once again. I'll play tonight. Nice. Yeah, so some of the mythical creatures there we have are taniwha. How do they show up in the modern day? As logs in the river, rocks, anything. And a marakiho is what we call them. It's kind of like a merman. Thicky cheese. How far are you on the story, Kara? Yeah, so there's actually a story behind the marakiho too with one of our ancestors. His name's Te Tahi o Te Rangi. He came up with a really good proverb too, if you want to hear it. What does that armor look like? Oh, it's just a silky one. What's the Streamlabs up to? Oh, I don't have much. How do you decide what design you're going to carve when it starts? I just think about time in what one I feel like doing, really. Yeah, deleting itself. Chur magic Westlicker. Jeez, I don't know how to say that. Yeah, I've been doing all the side missions too. Their legendary armor's a side mission one. I just come across it with those golden birds. I did one of the main missions finally. Renito, much love to you too, bro. All keeping safe out there. Chur, Kumadik. Thanks for the bits, man. I hope you're keeping safe too. I was watching DJ Manchu last night as well. He's mean, eh? Hopefully he's on today, drop him a host. Oh, true, Keurua. Sioga. So we call them the fairies of Patupaerehe. Now they're bloody dangerous, I'll tell you that. If you ever do tattoo design, as you'd love to get something in the style of your work as an elephant. Lord Dark Fable, I'm actually not a tattooist, brother. It would be best to ask a Maori tattooist. Message me and I can direct you to one. So this is how Ricky Baker grew up. Nice. Yeah, no, I've been having fun on it, eh? Even watched Last Samurai over the weekend. Still a mean movie. Jacob Dillon and Rowe, thank you very much. I was playing him at Mahi. Oh, true, brother. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Dude Cutter 57. That's Nomad. He's the bro that plays Iso. He'll show you the ways. Spicy Bot, thanks for the sub, brother. Appreciate it. You didn't have to though. Yeah, so pretty much all the designs that we have in carving pretty much transition into tattooing as well. Or into our form of tattooing anyway. Okay, I'm gonna have to use another chisel to get that one. Feel free to cheer me up. So, Amudi. Bro, all good. What is the eraser for? When I finish the design, any remaining things? Bro, if you want, bro, I'll talk to you, brother. If you're not feeling too good. Or we're all here to help one another within the whānau or this community. If not, if you don't feel like opening up, brother, flick us a message, brother. All good. Estral Sana, thank you very much for the sub. Thank you, appreciate it. You didn't have to though, just remember, look after yourself too. That's the main thing. What do you do if you make a mistake? You don't make mistakes, brother, we make adjustments. Cheerio, burger. How do I say that? Nicto Lux, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my bro, you can watch for free. But thank you, brother. What's the matter, Uma? That's pretty much a motto that pretty much every carver lives by. Well, maybe not all of us, but yeah. Posture check. I think I have a water too. Yeah, only another cover will like pick out your mistakes that you make. And someone with eyes that have been transplanted from a falcon, maybe. Oh, geez, that's good. I forgot to roll my back out this morning and do my stretches. Much better. Thank you for that posture check, my man. How long have you had that watermelon level? Have you ever had to replace it? So, when did I start? 2014? That's how long I've had it for? I've had all three of them since then, really. These are my ladies. These are my ladies. So I've had this one. So this one here is more for just light designing. And then I've got this one for designing as well and moulding. So I've had these since 2014. And this one's for like heavy moulding, making sure you get as much wood out as you can. Yeah, all made out of the same timber, rata. I think this one was the only one that wasn't an offcut. These two were offcuts as well. Other than the main one I used. Yeah. I have it just for game drops. I don't really watch streams or anything that I saw. 4 years of Prime, I'm finally using my sub. Hey, Flathead. Thanks, brother. You didn't have to do that though, my bro. Well, much appreciated, my bro. Damn, 4 years, brother. That is a long time. Yeah, so once I finish this, opening up commissions. I'm going to give me a book to keep track of them, eh?
Is it your own destiny, or is it a destiny someone else has tried to force on you?
Cool. Wonder if Zuko ever found his mum, eh? Like at the end of Avatar. What's the cost of something like this? So something like this can go for around 900 to 12. Depends if you want a real like hardwood and all that. Got your whiteboard. What's that for, brother? Francis Peggy, highly decorated indigenous people in Canadian military history in World War One. He gained a fierce reputation as an effective scout and deadly sniper. Nice. Another one, Tommy George Prince, to the first special service force with which then became the Devil's Brigade. He got an audience with King George. He got 11 medals. 500 people attended his funeral. Holy damn. Man, those old guys, eh, they were in the World Wars. They're pretty badass compared to the people of today. Oh, nah, just get a man diary. A hardcover book. Yeah, I better go and look for one today after I have my sashimi for lunch. My father-in-law gave some tuna, some deep sea one, to Mrs. Broxh to bring back. But yeah, oh, we got a host. Sporty Tursa. Hey! Thanks for the sub, sis. Can we get a shout out for her, please? Thank you very much for the raid. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Welcome everyone from her stream, from her community. Kia ora. Hello. My name is Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver based here in New Zealand. Welcome to the stream. How was your stream? Dirtstra Gaming, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to though. Oh yeah, imagine. Do you smash back much sashimi over there? I'll be sure. Hold on. Let me go follow you now. There you go. I followed you. Go back. There we go. Oh, posture check. Let me get a young pull up in too. Thanks for the posture check, brother. The Beard Machine. Nice name, brother. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. But much love, brother. Thank you very much. Hey, Barim. What's up, brother? Yeah, we love it. Haven't been in any good place since the virus hit though. Oh, it's true, brother. There, you must have the real deal over there, eh? Oh, I'd love some miso right about now. Miso. Les, thank you for subbing, brother. Broxh is a Demon Slayer fan. Yeah, of course. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. Such a good anime, eh? Hey, Chase ACE, cheer, brother. What will happen if you make a mistake? You mean an adjustment? Zuko. We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments, Zuko. Cheer, Britmas. Cheer, Britmans. Cheer, brother. Hisoku, exclamation mark socials, brother. Go to Insta. If that helps. Copy of Frostmourne from Well. No, I don't do those types of carvings, brother. Just stick to Maori traditional wood carving, brother. Quite near around here. Hi, I love nuggets. Kia ora. And welcome to the stream, brother. TY for answering. Oh, it's all good. Any love for Korra? I didn't really enjoy it as much as the first Avatar. I mean, it's all good, but yeah, I'd rather watch the first one, eh? Oh, retired Viking. That goes for you too, brother. The Wood Whisperer. Carve yourself. Nah. Does that make you a kai for ko? I see what you did there, Deputy Mayor. That was quite a clever one too. I want to donate. How can I donate? Ah, you can't, brother. Yeah. I'm not putting up a dono link till my birthday. Even then, I still feel like I shouldn't, but yeah. Level 29 this year, whanau. Big upstream. Thanks, Wanting Cave, too, brother. Favorite character in Avatar? Quinn? Uncle Iroh. In Avatar Roku. Happy birthday in advance. Oh, thanks, brother. Not till September. I'll put it on, but then again, I'm not going to tell you when it's on either. I'm just going to leave it there. Because hardly anyone scrolls down anyway, which is quite good. That took place after the show with one Zuko and Aang flying. Oh, did it, Bull Monkeys? True, brother, I didn't even know that. That's pretty cool. I think I know why Just isn't here too. I think he's moving house today. September 23rd. Yeah, brother, I'm a Michael Jordan baby. Half the alphabet loving the look of this piece. Hey, thanks for resubbing, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. You didn't have to though. But thank you very much, brother. There we go. Retired Viking, thank you very much for subbing, brother. I can't wait for your birthday stream. Yeah, it's just gonna be a stream where I chill with you guys. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Oh, cheer jam. Yeah, I'd like to know where they are. What were the tools made with before European contact? Yeah, greenstone, brother. So greenstone and onewa, which is grey wacky river stone. So those were the stone chisels we used. How did they sharpen them? On a sandstone for months, days, weeks, months on end. You can still see the grooves in the particular stones that they use today. What do your neighbours think of the tipping? Oh, they haven't really said anything other than, what are you streaming on? Pretty much, brother. How tall are you? I don't even know, brother. I don't really measure my height. I measure how much food is going in my mouth so I can get full. No, I don't even do that. I just eat it. Sorry, brother. Sorry to anyone asking how tall I am. Even I don't know. Terminator. One day you'll carve something for me. Yeah, all good, brother. One day. Yeah, I'll probably just take 5 at a time so I'm not stressing too much. Imagine having 100 commissions to do, eh? Jesus. then I want to stream this YouTube play button as well. Latte, Butt Punch, and Soulful Tree. Thank you very much, guys, for subbing. Here's an email. I don't know, bro. Otter. Could be. Thank you guys for subbing. He didn't have to. He's 6'5". Yeah, go on now. Posture check. I'm 6'5". Say that, bro. I don't know. I'm like this tall. Fuck's sake, Fanta. Posture check for the bro. Good job, mods. You guys are good. Yeah. You're up today, Fanta. You're heading live today. Just remembered. Look like Hercules. You mean Huncules. I think you mean Huncules. I desire a sword. I am on a great quest. A sword you shall have. Ping. Yeah, I like Uncle Iroh too. Who else? Whitebeard's another one. He's definitely another character I like in terms of anime as well. Just the way he is. Samsung is a Galaxy S7, brother. On the top of a mountain in a valley. Thicky Cheese, just Broxh, brother. They just silent. It's just their side because I didn't know Terminator Shield win. Because BRX was taken, so I just had to add something to it. Yeah, Kaido's another one of my favourites, brother. Crazy Love too, and Definite Fenrir. It's Wolfie. Thank you very much, guys, for subbing. You still didn't have to, though. Arawa mātaki mo te kore noe o. It's all good just to watch for free as well. But thank you very much, guys. What's your favourite anime? Oh, bro, there's so many, eh? So My Hero is one of them. Mainly just for All Might, though. Demon Slayer. I really enjoy that anime as well. One Piece, when my favourite characters are on. Is that a spear? Oh, it's a 3/4 staff, brother. I'll show it the entire thing once again when I'm close to finishing. SpongeBob is my favourite anime. 12:35, yes, pretty close to it, brother. If you could master a martial art, probably a real one. Jeez. Wing Chun? Or like the tiger stance, or the tiger stance in Kung Fu? Time to eat a pie. Ooh, the man. One culture I would really like to learn from their own people is the samurai culture. That's one I've always been fascinated by. Like the story of Maui, how he slowed down the sun. There's another piece added to it by the Japanese emperor. Head on. Each one, think not much, but you deserve it. Oh, you didn't have to give those, brother. All good. But thank you very much, brother. Is that chat on your phone? Yeah, pretty much. That is chat on my phone. I actually did Wing Chun for like 2 to 3 years, learned a bit of the tiger style too. Far up, brother. That's mean. I start 10th grade on September 10th. The stream will help me out a lot after a long day of online school. Ah, that's the one, brother. Oh, little man. 10th grade. What's that in like New Zealand terms? I actually don't know. As long as it helps, bro. That's the main. Yeah, so the story about Maui, how he slowed down the sun with all his brothers. So there was another aspect we learnt where the samurai came into play. So one day the Chinese emperor, was it the Japanese emperor? Jeez, sorry if I offend. Noticed that the days were going by fast, and wondering how they could find out the solution to this. And then they noticed one day that there was a red flare in the air, and it was like someone hitting an anvil. So if you see like sparks, so he sent his samurai warriors to go and check it out, and he noticed there was Maui in them. So that's a little something that we learnt through the years as well. Whether it's true or not, I do not know. Hopefully it is, because that'll be cool. 3, 4, 5. Is that a tiki doing a pukana? No, not really. Good night, Duo Pepsi. Cheer, brother. Have you ever watched Moana? Yeah, plenty of times. My daughter loved that movie. Now she likes Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow! Hey bro, you want to kill the sun? Cheer, age 5. Cheer, brother. Billy Bob, thank you for the sub, brother. Appreciate it. You didn't have to though. What kind of wood is that? Damn, that's a question I haven't seen in a long time. This is rata, bro. It's a native hardwood to New Zealand as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Hey Kara, when do those new ones start? Next month. How good are you with the Taiaha? Oh, not that good. Aristella, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. How long have you been working on this piece? Jeez. Kinda lost track of time, man. I just know it has to be finished before the end of this week. Y5. Oh, you know, I just want to get it identical to the other side. That's pretty much it. The Rabbit King, thank you very much for the sub, brother. And the human race. Oh, I don't know about that one, Lawson. Yeah. Start of September. Gee. Who's it tough? Patariki. The boy from Awaho. And another one, eh? Woo. Imagine if they were watching. Alex, so what this... Hold on, I'll just acknowledge these guys. X-Ray, Denim Pirate, thank you very much, you two, for subbing. You didn't have to, though. You make sure you look after yourselves first. So Alex B7, what this piece was traditionally used for, bro, was warfare, pretty much. So this is one of our traditional weapons, one of the most renowned ones we have, called the Taiaha. Similar to an English 3/4 staff, the difference being we don't throw this one because we named them after our ancestors. And yeah, so that was its original purpose, was for warfare. Yeah, brother, that's them. Oh, che. Oh, other than old Dally Roast, because he's finished. He pulled out. Written Games, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Much respect, brother. Chur, I am our Bob. Chur, brother. When I gotta wait for January. True, Terminator. Hold on, I wanna play some different Uncle Iroh inspired music. Let's play Iroh's Wisdom, eh?
The key to growth is proper aging. It is important to draw wisdom from many different places. If we take it from only one place, it becomes rigid and stale. Understanding others, the other elements, and the other nations will help you become whole.
This city is a prison. I don't want to make a life here.
Life happens wherever you are, whether you make it or not. Protection and power are overrated. I think you are very wise.
Ain't that the truth?
Happiness and love. What are you doing?
I'm mugging you!
With that stance?
What? What are you talking about? Just give me your money, old man!
With a poor stance, you are unbalanced and you can be easily knocked over.
C King, thank you very much for the
You must let go of your
bits,
feelings
brother.
of
You
shame
didn't have
if
to.
you want your anger to go away.
Crimson subbing with the tier 1 as well. Appreciate it, brother. Just remember, you don't have to. Look after yourselves first. Well, thank you very much. I want a spin-off of Uncle Iroh. Bro, that'll be cool.
Octopus, my nephew. You need a tightly woven net, or he will squeeze through the tiniest hole and
I didn't ban him for the comment. Oh, I didn't know who he banned, brother. I'm just, yeah, all good, boy.
True delights.
It is usually best to admit mistakes when they occur and to seek to restore honor.
When I'm through with you kids, the window won't be the only thing that's broken.
But not this time. Run!
People see me and think I'm weak. They want to take care of me. But I can take care of myself by myself.
You sound like my nephew. Always thinking you need to do things on your own without anyone's support. There is nothing wrong with letting people who love you help you. Not that I love you. I just met you.
Entorius and No, thank you very much for
It is called the
subbing, guys. You didn't have to. It's all good just to
Only in my
watch.
case, it's more like a vast
Would
ocean.
never have done it if I couldn't look after myself, mate.
You
Don't
start
worry.
stirring
Oh,
up
all good,
trouble.
brother.
We could lose all the good things that are happening for us.
Good things that are happening for you. Have you ever thought that I want more from life than a nice
So who's it
apartment
going to
and
be
a job
named
for
after?
me?
Oh, I don't know.
There's
Whoever
nothing
gets
wrong
it.
with a life
It's not up to me to name it. It's up to the family who they want to name it
Think
after.
about what it is that you
I'm
want
just a
from
person carving it for them.
I want my destiny.
life. What that means is up to you.
That Whakairo to a dub.
I know what you're gonna say. She's my sister and I should be trying to get
Did
along.
Zuko's grandfather get killed?
She's crazy.
Oh, I didn't know.
and She needs to go down.
I didn't like him as a character, so I didn't really pay
Sometimes
much
life
attention
is
to him.
like this dark tunnel. You can't always see the light at the end of the tunnel, but if you just keep moving, you will come to a better place.
Have some tea while
It's
you wait.
Trey. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Thank you. Just remember, look after yourself first, too, brother.
Tea is nothing more than hot leaf juice.
Uncle, that's what all tea
What's
is.
for lunch? I'm probably going to have
How could a
sashimi
member
after the
of
stream.
my own family say
A slow
something
thief.
so horrible?
What are
Thank
you
you very
doing
much,
here?
brother.
I was
You
just
didn't have
about
to?
to ask you the same thing. What do you plan to do now that you've found the Avatar's bison? Keep it locked in our new apartment? Should I go put on a pot of tea for him?
Keep this hype train going. Oh, bro, there's no need to. Thicky Cheese, subscribe. Thank you very much, Thicky Cheese. Just remember, you don't have to next time. Look after yourself too. Jeez, no need to do the hype train. It's all good. One, two, three, four. Oh my god. Rive TV. Oh jeez. Gifted 10 subs. Oh crap. Brother, you didn't have to do that, brother. Oh. Thank you though. Brother, you really didn't have to do that. You can just look after yourself. If anyone received that gifted sub, please say thank you.
Leaves from the vine, falling so slow, like fragile tiny shells.
I just caught that at the corner of my eye as well. Crucifix. Thank you very much, brother, for subbing. You didn't have to though, brother. What are you doing? Oh, not that. Oh, come on. Up to Crucifix again. You didn't have to do that, brother. That's enough.
Soldier boy comes marching home.
Thank you though. To anyone that received it, please say thank you.
Happy birthday, my son.
Oh my god. Blue Monk, thank you very much for subbing, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch for free. I love it when you get upset. Oh, bro, how can you not? With what's going on. We're going back to that no ears clause again. Up to. Oh, thank you, Hollow. Uncle Iroh from Avatar. Yeah, we were just listening to some Uncle Iroh before. I'm back in a few, man. Gotta do some chores. Oh, all good flexing. You do them chores, brother. All good, brother. So we got like 2 more to do, or 3 more to do. Vanilla Gorilla. Chur Whanau. Thanks for subbing, brother. Pretty interesting name. How long does a build like this take for you? If I was doing it off stream, probably be like 2 weeks or maybe shorter. Hunt Dougal and Rive TV. You guys. Thank you for subbing. You did not have to though. Thank you though, guys. And Ronnie Goulart as well, subbing. Thank you very much. Is that a Rockwell jaw horse? It's an AEG, brother. Yeah. Ball turner, much love. Chur Vanilla. Do you stream, brother? You'll be like the second wood turner I'd know on here. That's pretty cool, bro. I know a wood turner by the name of Texas Hula. But I like watching wood turning as well. It's pretty satisfying to see. Slats Lime, as long as your spirit is high, that's a dub, brother. That's a win for me. Jet Black Pope, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Is it like frowned upon in Maori carving? No, brother, not at all. If it makes the process faster, bro, just use it. I just don't have any power tools yet because I work in a carport and I don't want to leave them outside. I don't really have anywhere to store them. Hold on, guys, I'm just gonna bang this bugger out. Bro, I'm stuck in Auckland. Chew, bro. Are you alright there? Are you safe? Goat Nipples, thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to. Did the computer get there? God damn, random. It came like 2 months ago now. If you use machines, it wouldn't be soothing as chisel. I mean, yeah, I got my chainsaw tickets and all that. And, yeah, the planers and that ain't hard to use. I would have finished this ages ago if I had an angle grinder, but, yeah, I got nowhere to leave it. 3 AM in Sweden. God damn. Anyone else watching in the early hours of the morning? Chainsaw carving. Oh, hell no. No, just to mark it up, make it faster. So that bit there, how much? 1, 2, 3. It's a lot of AMs up in there. Netherlands here. True, brother. Far out. Tangi ai e kui. Tua pari a te mata ki te moko. Mai mai rā. E wai korei. E kui ane. Kia ora, did you get your DJ Manchu mix in the email? Chuck them on. Oh, did I? Geez, I better check my one that's linked to my Twitch. Cheer your daddy. I'll have a look after the stream. Manchu! Is he on today, Manchu? Your daddy. Let me know when you're jumping on too, Fanta. I haven't forgotten. Okay, we need another chisel just to fix up the spirals. Chur Whanau party. Cheer, brother. For the sub you didn't have to, can you turn Dono button on? On my birthday, brother. I'm stubborn, bro. No one can change my mind. Hey, cheer, Kobe. How you feeling, brother? After yesterday's 12-hour marathon, he just has a day off. Ah, yeah. Fuck, 12 hours. Bro, his mixes though, bro. It's mean just turning his stream on. I had a stream on while I was playing WoW last night. Hello, Mitchell, and how do I say that? Bexel Finn. Who do you support in Super Rugby? The Chiefs, brother. Why you gotta keep reminding me, bro? And the Blues, brother. This whole time just working on mahi. Oh, nice, brother. How's your recovery going, brother? All good? Bro, you're pretty sweaty at Warzone, eh? Just from that one time we were watching. This guy wiping everyone out. No, I don't usually say that, but oh well. Just trying to even up all these lines, little bits I may have missed, and then we'll do these last corners. What huckers do you know? Well, I don't really keep a list of it. Oh, all good, Fanta. Are you going to be up, or are you just playing offline? No, I'm not even that good, bro. You were pretty handy that time we were watching. I was like, far out, this guy needs a towel. I'll be up. Cool, okay. Nā te kotahitanga Nā tāne rawa koe, te wehi o te tapu, te mana o te ihi. Tuia, o wata. First time watching such a chill stream. G'day from Oz. Hey, damn diddle. Cheer, brother. Thank you for that. I have a question. For how long have you been doing this? Carving this or carving in general, brother? If it's carving in general, I started back when I was 12, brother. Back in primary school. The one who introduced me to Whakairo was my uncle Mani. He exposed a few of us to this art form until I actually have a good game too, brother. You know, guys, I'll just do this. Pine pine te kura. Pine pine te kura. Rea te poho tōku whare o nā tūmanako. It's gotten so much more detailed since I left. Gee, Dylan, yeah. We're almost finished. Just doing some last bits here and there. Etune Okay, let's do these final bits here. So we're going to butt these. So we're going to take this entire section out. Just the designing, brother. Then I got to do the eyes and sandpapering. That's pretty much take my time on that. Just try and smash it out in a stream sometime this week. Pretty much, brother. So I'm just like butting them just so we don't break the wall of the... Oh, we got a hydration check, do we? Not. Gotta go. All good, Terminator. You have a good one, brother. Eunice. I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand. My nan's name was Eunice. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, brother. Sorry if it isn't. Kidney hydration, love. I'll probably have a drink soon anyway. Cool stream to watch while in lockdown, brother. Yeah, model team. That's why I'm doing it, bro. Just for everyone to enjoy while being in quarantine. And another one is just for hopefully to inspire young Maori boys out there. Hopefully this is something they might want to pursue when they get older. hopefully catch them on Twitch. Because I know this is where majority of them will be. Well, hopefully. And another reason why I do this is for just our people, Maori people around the world who don't have access to our culture as much as others these days. Just to give them some form of home as well. And obviously to have a cool community, or whānau as I like to call it, a good place where everyone can chill while being in lockdown and have some fun. What's your favourite snack, brother? Jeez, there's too many to decide from. Any tip for beginners? Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. I mean, I'm not even that good. No, I don't really think I am. I'm still learning. Every day is a learning day, if you will. What chisels do you have? Swiss ones, brother. So they're provided from Carbatech, they're a company here in New Zealand, if you're outside of the country. Based up in Auckland. Might be a bit hard to get them with what's going on up there. Reko, reko, reko ana. What time is the sashimi coming? Can we get some of the tuna goodness virtually? I'll probably have to cut it up myself. Whakatata Mahi. Can hear the tui's in the tree behind me. Asura Tenchi, chew, brother. Everyone makes mistakes. Yeah, everyone does. It's all part of the learning. How will we get in contact with you about buying Maori carvings when you start opening it up? So my business email is on my Twitter, brother, if that helps. Like if it's a small one you want for your office space, but I won't be taking commissions until I finish this, because this is my current one. I'll only be taking 5 for now. I'm from Australia. Hey, cheer, brother. You're my guilty pleasure watch. Keep up the good work, brother. Hey, thanks, Tailix. And cheer, brother. As long as you enjoy, brother, that's all that matters to me. Guys, so yeah, this is pretty much all we're doing, is just butting the ends of the design and go over the top with a rubber. E tuki ma te aha. Oh, spike wall. That's all that matters, brother. Many good examples out there in the world. Just gonna try and be a good example. Like Whitebeard. Hayashi! Ah, all good, Dylan. Sweet as, brother. Cheer to the gumboots, bro. Hard. It's my footwear of choice for all seasons of the year. Or maybe don't wear them as much in summer though. Just jandals. Until you get that G-string tan line looking thing from wearing jandals every damn day of the summer. So we've got 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do these end ones now, eh? Got a couple of gumboots lying around. Nice. Share games. Thank you very much for the bits. He did not have to though. But thank you very much. Your vibrato is on point. No, it's all good, brother. Kuarere atsukwe kitsuo Flip-flop songs and oh yeah, I forgot about that. Gone but never forgotten. Yeah, Dylan. I mean, I know he's an anime character, but he sets a pretty good example compared to most people in the world. In terms of a family or a group. Just want to be a good example like him on Twitch. So the Taiaha you're crafting? It most definitely is, brother. When's your birthday? Next month, brother. Yeah. Level 29. I don't age. I level up. Food. Spent time with my daughter today. It's getting to catch Brox's stream down. Good day. It's coming along nicely as well. Looks beautiful. Ah, thanks, Multani. Yeah, brother. I have a daughter as well. It's probably my favourite thing in life is spending time with her. She's pretty much my guiding light. Her and Mrs. Broxh. Tell you what, hang on, there we go. We native the same barely age. Have you ever seen Thor Ragnarok? Hey man, we're about to jump on that ginormous spaceship. Do you want to come? You rode a hammer. The hammer rode you on your back. Oh my god, the hammer pulled you off. Oh. It would seem you had a really special and intimate relationship with this hammer, and losing it was like losing a loved one. This weapon would be very effective against 3 vampires that were huddled together. Yeah bro, I've seen Thor Ragnarok. Oh, we don't say that name around here. I'm made of rocks, but you got nothing to be afraid of unless you're made of what? I thought it was a pair of scissors. Please tell me there was actually Ragnarok. Nah, I wasn't, bro. The guy you're looking for is Taika Waititi. I was going to start a revolution, but unfortunately I didn't print enough pamphlets. Piss off, ghost! This is my friend Meek. Unfortunately, Meek is dead because I stepped on him. Oh, Meek, you're alive! I do those half price Korg impressions just for you guys, just for a bit of fun. I'm trying to do other ones too, but I'm not that good. So here on the Native Show today, we will be heading to Galapagos to look at the sea turtles. Now it is said that one Galapagos sea turtle saved the entire race just by reproducing. Tuilungo, the panda and brewmaster. Hey, cheeks. You lost weight? That's terrible. Chin storms out, eh? Yep, I'm one of the few that actually like the Pandaran race. I'm gonna play some Pandaria music now. There we go. Broxh nature documentary win. Taika Edinburgh. The Galapagos sea turtle. Hold on guys, I might get in the way of the camera just while doing this particular part. Apologies in advance. We're almost there though. The phone block is the MVP. The chat holder 4000, brother. I crafted that legendary item some time ago. Just so I don't drop the chat. I've already dropped them like twice since streaming. Have you ever carved a wooden sword? Nah, not really, brother. My ancestors never used swords, eh? So they got no reason to do one. Someone that's part of the community or the whānau actually carved the sword. He was sharing it on Discord. Why do we fight? To protect home and family. For my kind, the true question is, what is worth fighting for? I will carve you the mightiest sword. I have the power! All weapons are traditional to Maori. So we have this weapon here, the Taiaha. We have other weapons,
two-handed weapons called a tefa tefa. Po whenua is another one. Now I would rather show them than explain them because it would be much better. I might carve maybe I have enough wood to do a po whenua. Now that particular weapon was usually used to place on the boundary lines of your land, just in case you got caught off guard by an enemy that's like patrolling your boundaries. Then you can catch them out when one of your boundary weapons is there, or markers I would say. Have you ever seen Kung Fu Panda? Po! Finally! A worthy opponent. Our battle will be legendary. You think I'm a fool? You're not the Dragon Warrior. None of you are the Dragon Warrior. Hey Pritchie, and hello Taz as well. Chur Whanau tell you. Yeah, we have weapons made out of jade, brother. So patu most of the time, which are our shorthand clubs. Patu wahaika is another variation, and a kotiatu. Another hard material we used was whalebone, brother. Yeah, Mists of Pandaria was one of my favourite expansions. I know a lot of people hated it, but I actually enjoyed it. Like, pandas ain't part of WoW, snurf snurf. It's like, bruh, they were in Warcraft 3. Okay, that's most of the design. Now what we're going to do now is just take off majority of this pencil by carving out some more of the design, just so it's not sitting there. Yeah, mainly all the edgelords were unhappy about Pandaren. Excited for Shadowlands? Yeah, brother, definitely. Lore as well, I'm a fan of the lore, eh? Can't keep up with it, only certain characters I follow. I usually just go and watch Noble if I want a hard and fast explanation. I'm a big fan of what Noble does too. Boom. Here it is, fam. Not bad, good size. Ever dabbled in Dota or any other MOBAs? Other than League, yeah, I've played Dota. Not the original Dota though. I didn't find out about it. Is that a good one? The Rowbreed, I enjoyed it. I reckon YouTube it just in case. Need some 1814. I can't play them, brother, because of DMCA. I can only play LAB, brother. They've given me permission to play their music thanks to my wahine. I might actually play some Lab right now. After Pandarian music. I heard a patu was so hard to make, it could take a generation to become a family heirloom sometimes. Any truth about that? Jeez, no, I don't think so, brother. But I mean, it might have been for certain ancestors, brother. I can only speak for my own. No, we pretty much had a full-blown finished patu, which is a family heirloom. Now, unfortunately, the one who received it before I did was my uncle, and he lost it. And that really pissed me off, so I knocked him out. Yeah, there was a bit of a stink one. Twitch gave you a jacket. Yeah, brother, back a while ago. Okay, that's him. So I'm going to show you both sides of the Taiaha after I place some lamp.